Hi, today I will show you how to create a WordPress post. So let's do that. To create a WordPress post, you need to log into your WordPress admin panel. Then you need to click on Posts, Add New. Alright, here is the screen from where we can create a post in a very simple way. You need to give a title here, title, and this is the content area. You can write any paragraph, add any images or add any videos here. So here is my paragraph. Here is my paragraph, and you can add anything here, like let's use an image. Okay, here is an image. You can see that I just added here, and then in the right side you will get different categories that was created previously. So you can create unlimited categories that is related to your post. Then you can create any tags here, like coffee, new post. Okay, then featured image. You can use any featured image for your post. Like I will use a featured image here. Like this is my featured image. Okay, and click on any category. This post will be shown under this category. And also you can publish this post later on. So if you want that you want to post it in later date, then you can also select the date here. And visibility, if you want to show it public right now, then you just click on publish because it's the default. And if you want to protect it with a password, you can select this option. And this is private, only you can see this post. So here is the thing that you can easily create a post. But if this is a very simple theme I'm using here, I'm just using here 2019 theme. If you use any premium WordPress theme, then you will get more options. So if I click on publish now, it will be published, and let's see how it looks. All right, this is the post we just created. So this is super easy. I hope you will find it very easy creating a WordPress post. So let me know in the comment section if you face any issues and if you have any questions. Thank you.